Hi friends, today I would like to share one of my experience with today's attendance. I have attended one of the session with Dr. Vivek Bindra, that is on 100 things on 100 minutes. It's a fantastic session. It was. I have taken clear notes on that. I just wanted to give some reviews kind of thing. Like maybe it will be useful for other people also who not attended, and it is my pleasure, and I am very happy to share this happiness with people. Sir has shared many ideas about how we should do the business, what are the things we have to take care in our businesses, how to manage in different sales things, how we will take care, and what are the problems we face, and how we can solve those problems. You know, the, there are some aha moments. If in from the 100, it's very difficult to understand in 100 things in 100 minutes as a normal person, but somehow we try to understand, and only I can say 25% is the clear for us. If we listen again and again, it will be get clear, but there is no live video on that. But it is very good session it was. So if I can want to share aha moments with you all, that is before I go in detail, let me introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Rafi. I am a startup coach online. I'll help people to start their businesses online, and I'll be supplying in supporting in e-commerce, supporting in bring their legalizations and other things. So about this Vivek Bindra sir's uh, exposure about 100 things in 100 minutes, or the first thing once I heard job 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 hook. This is something very new for me, just give the free content for 3 times and ask for purchase for the fourth time. Customer never say no to you. That kind of simple techniques sir has been shared. And relations is very important in the business. So what kind of relations you are maintaining? Either you have a very good relations with your customers or not. If you have a very good relations with your customers, yeah, definitely it is going to bring a good income for you, and good sales for you. And in digital thing, when I sir is explaining that there are so many techniques to get into business of the digital, like track competition online. One of your best thing is you can track your competitions, whatever industry you belongs to. If they are doing good, what you are missing you will come to know. If they are not doing good, and you are the unique things are there with you, then you can highlight those unique things, and you can get more business on this. So many tactics sir has been told. And and here sir said brick and mortar to online, like use the current situation, everyone is coming to online. If you have the talent of creating websites, content writing, blogging, SEO, anything, if you know, then there is a good chance to grow in your business. And the landing pages are very important for your product and for business, either you are selling your services or product. And there are so many other things are also said, that trust trust signal. If you are if you can build the trust from your customers, then automatically you will build your business and wealth. Sir said, PCP is trust on person, trust on your company, trust on your product. All three things, if you are able to gain successfully, definitely your business is going to helpful for you. And product demo, the product demos are very important. If you are showing some product, selling some product, you can give the demos, and people will fall in love with you. And uh, there are so many rules and golden rules has been explained. It is very small time to understand and remember each and everything. Even though I have written a lot of notes, it is very difficult, the one model in 1 minute. Sir, only Vivek sir can explain this kind of information. I don't think anyone in India can explain that fast and that clear, and that quality, that clear things message in 100 minutes. Like there are so many things, kill the objection in advance. If you know what kind of questions can come in your business, you can answer them in much before. Like what kind of questions it may, you can say that your products are very expensive, this quality is not good, when I'm comparing with X, this one is low. Such kind of questions can come. So if you are prepared much before only to answer all these questions, then definitely it is going to be helpful for you. And the simple techniques, like that involves like my name is sweeter to me than honey. Like if you are dealing with customers, take their name again and again, so the name is sweeter in the world for him. So you have to call with their names instead of sir or something. You can say that Mr. Rafi, you can Mr. Sir, like it will be given a good connection with the customers. Like he explained about 3 V's approach as well. 3 V's, like verbal, vocal and voice. So verbal is like what kind of words you are using it, what kind of language you are using it. Like vocals, how tone you are using, high tone, low tone, slow the voice, silence. And voice can make very small impact. The verbal is 55% results it can bring. And there are so many points. I have written all the points, but it is very difficult to explain one by one. Like there are points like bundle the discounts, brand advocacy ratio, PR strategies for small businesses, influencer marketing, consumer research, clear sales message, powerful and case studies, stock management, expiry management, rack management, alert management, behavioral focus management, profitable push sales, sales is not equal to price, and chatbots for business. There are chatbots are in WhatsApp we use, in Facebook we use. Like robots can talk behalf of you. And art and science of feedback forms. You can build very good feedback forms and take feedback from the people. And when customers are calling to you for the service, you should be available all the time to be solve their problem. So in that way you will build your trust and company's good name and fame. So at the 100th place, you said that employee performance. The many people who is performing that focus there only, but there are mixture of people you have to run with the company. You have to track employee performances as well. And the biggest thing he was saying that today the Bada business offer is there. Whoever attended, they are given their mobile numbers to contact them and check with them what is the Bada Bazaar Bada Bazaar offers for today. So I'm going to call this number, and definitely I will find out what is their offer and all. And it is so much information on that. If anyone can attend this in detail, he will be super duper hit when you become an expert in all these 100 things. Definitely I can say that it's a worth, and it's the best time we invested. Almost 2.5 hours we invested to listen this Mr. Vivek Bindra, and we got the so much information on all varieties of businesses, how to run, where to focus, how to control the losses, and each and every point he's covered, whatever involved in the business. So I was working from home, and so I got the opportunity to attend this session. And definitely this is Mr. Vivek Bindra is going to create some revolution in India, that I can see with his services, with his words, with his talks. And he's already very big name fame person in India. And Harvard University is going to do the case study on Mr. Vivek Bindra's coaching institute and strategies and all. This is the honor for India as well. It's going to be very much uh, very much useful for each and every entrepreneur in India, and as well as outside India. And there are hundreds and thousands and lakhs and crores of people are going to get benefit out of from this. Thank you so much, sir, for creating all these kind of stuff. We are very happy to be with you and learn with you. Thank you so much, and I definitely recommend all YouTube videos of you for each and every Indian to watch and get the knowledge. Thank you so much. I am Mohammad Rafi. I am signing off. Thank you so much.